Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a project called Desk Booking System. Desk Booking System is a website created to help employees to find a temporary workspace for their meetings and other needs. So, if an employee, if a manager wants to conduct a meeting in some other locations to collaborate with the employees, they can book a temporary workspace of certain rooms for their meetings and all the work done. They can reside there, and this might be so helpful for them that they can find a temporary office space so that they can meet together, they can have office meetings, and they can have project plans, etc. So for this purpose we have created this application. Let's look at the flow of this website. This is the flow of our website. In this project we have administrator and employee modules. Administrator here has default login credentials. Administrator will log in with the predefined email and password. Now, after logging into his account, administrator add the locations where employees can find the desks or office spaces based on these locations. After adding the locations, administrator can also view all the added locations. After adding locations, based on these locations, administrator will add the building in the sense the complete picture of it and address where they can choose from. After adding buildings, administrator can also view the buildings he added. After adding buildings, in these buildings which floors are available for this particular purpose, so administrator will add how many floors are available. So after adding floors, administrator can view the floors. In these floors, administrator will define how many rooms are available for the bookings. So after adding rooms based on these all these floors, buildings and locations, administrator can view the added rooms. Employees, whoever wants to book a desk or a room in a particular building, need to register by giving their email address, phone number, name, etc. designation. After completely registering themselves, employees can log in with email and password. After logging into accounts, employees can view the locations where the desks or these free office spaces are available. Based on the locations, they can find the buildings that are added by admin. After viewing the buildings, employees can view how many floors are there, or how many rooms are there available. After selecting the rooms, employees need to choose how many days. So from date and to date they have to select. After that they will be displayed a layout of rooms available. The employees can choose from this layout how many rooms they want. After choosing the rooms, employees need to book the rooms by paying the relevant amount for the certain days they have selected here. After completely booking rooms, employees they can cancel their booking as well. These bookings will be visible to the administrator and employees as well. Let's look at the actual website. This is the homepage of online desk booking system. As we have known that administrator will have default login credentials, username as admin and password as admin. This is the homepage of administrator. After logging into his account, administrator will add the locations. If there is any locations already added, we can see here. Let's add a location name. We have to choose a file to represent the city. We have to give the address. This is the location where the building resides, so we can see locations here. After adding locations, we have to add buildings. So now in this particular location, we are adding the building. So we have to choose building picture. We have to name the block name. Okay, block added successfully. We can see the buildings here. These are the buildings. To these buildings, we'll add floors. Which floors are available? So location and building. So we'll add floors, and we have to mention which floor is it. You can say first. Floor added. We can see the floors here. This is the floors. We can also view the location details by clicking on the city name. Now to this floor we have to add rooms. So we can see here location, building, floor, and room title. We have to give the room picture. How much price we are charging from it for a day, we have to mention. And in this particular room type, how many rooms are available, so we can give number. So desk is also added. So these are the rooms. We can see layout here by clicking on layout. So based on these dates, which these availability, we can see these are 5 rooms which weren't even booked, so these are available currently. So let's move on. Employees need to register, so they have to click on registration button. After registration button, they have to give their name, their phone number, email address. Password they have to choose, gender, age, occupation. We have to give him employer's address, so they have to mention their own address. So they have to click on register. Registration is successful. After successful registration, employees can log in. This is the home page for employees. So now when they click on locations, they can find the locations. They can also search here as well if there is any. If they want to search another thing, they cannot find anything if the locations weren't added. If they search for the cities, if there is anything found, we can see here. So by clicking on view buildings, we can view the building. This is the building. You can see the name of it and the address of it. You can view the floors in it. This is the floor. In Cyber Towers, it is the first floor. Now we can see rooms. These are the rooms available. 5 rooms are there. So it's a conversation room, and the charging price is $150 and it's open. So now we can book. Employees should select how many days they want, so they have to choose the dates here, date and time as well. So if it's for 4 days, they have to select it. Book. So here we can see which room they have booked and from date and to date time. Okay, so this is the layout. From these 5 rooms, they can select the number they want. So if they want only 2 rooms, they can book. When they click on book now, They will be displayed the booking details, like how many days they were selecting and which room, the price, days, and based on these days the total amount is $900. So customers have to pay the amount by giving their card details. Here card number they have to give 16 digits. 16 digits, and they have to give the name on card, expiry date, and CVV. They have to confirm the booking. So booking desk booking successful, so they can view the bookings here. We can see everything about the booking details, the picture including. So now if they want to cancel, they can also cancel as well. These bookings are visible to the administrator as well. Let's look once. Admin, rooms, here view bookings. These are the bookings happen, and you can see here which rooms employee selected. So if they want to cancel it, they can cancel. View bookings, they can cancel. These booking cancelled and completed bookings will be visible in the history, booking history. So this is all about online desk booking system. I thank you very much for watching.